We all know that situation. We wrote an amazing line of code and want to share it with the whole world. I want to show you how you can use CodeSnap.dev to do exactly that. In this example, I think that this script setup is amazing and I want to share it with the whole world. Therefore, I have installed the CodeSnap.dev extension in VS Code. It allows me to call open in CodeSnap in the command palette. So I already have selected the code I want to share, and now I click on open in CodeSnap. It asks me if I want to open the external website, which I confirm. And then we are automatically redirected to the CodeSnap.dev editor, which is a web application. And here we can see exactly the code that we have selected in VS Code. Now we want to do some advanced styling. First, we can see that the wrong language is pre-selected. So we say this is some Vue code. Next, we want to add a component name here. So we say this is a component.vue file. And I'm not quite happy with the styling. So we can choose from some predefined themes. So this is more the blue one. This is more for the light theme. But I think the green one fits for us Vue developers. We also want to share line numbers. And one cool thing about CodeSnap is line highlighting. For example, if I want to highlight this line, I click on this line and I can choose one of the code highlighting options. For example, let's choose a neutral background for this line. And let's say these lines are not that important. Let's darken these lines. So as you can see, these lines are darkened. And what you can also do is some blurring, for example. If you want to blur certain lines, that's also possible. But you can also do additional stuff like putting in your social media. And finally, you can export your code. And there you have a lot of options. For example, you can copy it to the clipboard, you can download the file. And what I also recommend is that you download the file and upload it to TinyKiwi and add additional annotations there, which is really cool. One of the main reasons why I developed CodeSnap.dev is I wanted to have an easy way to manage all my code snippets. So we are now on the snippets page, and here I can see all the snippets that I have created. And I can filter that snippets by tag, for example. If I only want to see my Vue snippets, I click the Vue filter, and then it filters and shows only the Vue tips that I've created. It's also possible to search for a certain name. For example, if I want to search for TypeScript, it filters only the corresponding TypeScript files. And I think this is really cool and makes CodeSnap that useful. So give it a try at CodeSnap.dev and let me know what you think about it.